How's it going, demons? Just wanted to say thanks to our class captains and also for all of you guys for getting into this World War I primary source set. We're going to be finishing that up today. So just as a recap of what we've got going on, thanks to our class captains for getting into this learning objective and going over that warm-up. We'll talk about a couple of announcements here. We'll be getting into finishing up part 2, which has all of those different sources related to World War I. We will be sharing out so that hopefully we can get a little bit of an idea about all of the sources, so that by the time that we are on this short constructed response, 5 to 10 sentences, we will be able to address the guiding question related to continuity and change from a previous historical era. So you'll have all the tools that you need to be successful on that. As a reminder, like we'll talk about, I am going to be using some of these essays for a future assignment. Obviously, I'll take the names off that, but keep that in mind. So it's a completion grade. It's not like you're going to get penalized for having bad grammar or something like that. But I will be using your part 3 for an upcoming assignment. Other than that, guys, we might have a little bit of time at the end to be able to do a common lit, which I've also organized by green, blue, and black. So we will be getting into that hopefully. If not, we'll just stick around with 5-5. I have a wise person once said that we'd rather focus on quality instead of quantity. So I'd rather do 5-5 well instead of just kind of moving on to something else quickly. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.